Good morning and welcome to the English class. Today we shall continue the story Cinderella with the part 3, The Search. Last session we had seen Cinderella attended the ball and was praised by the prince. But we know that her absence made the prince very sad. Let us read the next part, The Search, page number 47. The Search. The prince became very sad when Cinderella left him. His servants brought him the glass shoe that Cinderella had left in the room. He wanted to find out the beautiful girl who had danced with him. The next day, he sent messengers to announce that the prince would visit every home to find out the lady. This news excited the ladies. The two stepsisters were very glad because they had pretty feet. They put on their best clothes and waited for the prince. But Cinderella didn't have any good clothes. Listen, children, what made the prince very sad is we know that Cinderella's absence made the prince very sad. By seeing the sad prince, the servants brought the glass shoes that Cinderella had left in the ballroom. By seeing that, the prince was very happy and thought of finding out the beautiful girl. Then, what did he do? Yes, he called out the messengers and informed them that the prince would have visit every home to find out the prettiest girl. The messengers were sent and they announced the news. What was the news? Yes, the prince would visit every home to find out the girl, the beautiful girl. So, dear children, this news was a surprised one for every girls among the village or in that country, and it was more excited also. The two stepsisters were very happy. There is one reason said they had pretty feet. They wore the best clothes and waited for the prince. But Cinderella had no good clothes to wear and she was very sad. Let's see the next paragraph. The prince visited every house. He invited girls to try on the shoes Cinderella had left in the ballroom. The girls tried it on, but it did not fit any one of them. Finally, the prince reached Cinderella's house. The eldest stepsister went to her room to try on the shoe, and her mother stood by, but she could not get her big toe into it for the shoe was too small. Then her mother handed her a knife and said, cut the toe off. For when you are a queen, you will never have to go on foot. So the girl cut off her toe, squeezed her foot into the shoe. She concealed her pain and went down to the prince. The prince looked at her shoe and saw blood flowing under it. Listen, dear children, the prince visited every house. He invited all the girls to test with the one glass shoe, which Cinderella had left in the ballroom. The girls tried, but it was not fit for them. At last, the prince reached in Cinderella's house. There we can see we know that the two stepsisters were ready to receive the prince. The prince asked the elder sister to wear the shoe. She went inside the room to try it. Her mother was also stood by her to help her. But there was a problem. What was that? Yes, her toe was too big to get inside the shoe. Then her mother solved the problem. How did she solve? Yes, she gave a knife and told the step first elder one and told her to cut off the toe. See how cruelly she think of. She again told her that once when you become the queen, you should not want to walk. So the girl, she cut off the toe and put her feet inside the glass shoe. Can you imagine? Look how she could manage. She concealed her pain. Conceal means cover or not shown her pain and went to the prince. But the prince could identify it by seeing the flying of blood over the shoe. See what happened next. Not the right bride at all. The prince shouted in anger. Then the other sister tried the shoe. She went into her room to do so and got her toes comfortably in, but her heel was too large. Then her mother handed her the knife, saying, cut a piece of your heel. When you are the queen, you will never have to go on foot. So the girl cut off a piece of her heel and thrust her foot into the shoe. The prince looked at her feet and became more angry and shouted, there is blood on your shoe. The shoe is too small, not the right bride at all. So, dear children, by saying the cheat, the prince became very angry. He shouted at her and denied her by saying, not the right bride at all. Then, now whose chance? Yes, it is the second sister. She also tried and found one problem. What was that? What was her problem? Yes, her heel was too large. Then her mother did the same. She too cut off her heel and put the foot into the shoe. By seeing the blooded feet, the prince became more angry and shouted at her and announced that she too not the right bride for him. Let's see the next paragraph.